Want to know how to use AdCreative AI for retargeting ads and boost your marketing results? You're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how this powerful tool can help you create ads that convert, even when you're retargeting audiences who have already interacted with your brand. Stick around till the end for a special bonus, so you can start using this software for free. AdCreative AI is an AI-powered ad creation platform that helps marketers and businesses create highly effective ad creatives in seconds. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or Google, it simplifies the process of creating ads that engage and convert. When it comes to retargeting ads, this tool really shines because it allows you to leverage AI to target people who have already shown interest in your product or service. To use AdCreative AI for retargeting, first you need to set up your ad campaign with your platform of choice, be it Facebook, Google, or Instagram. Once you've selected your audience segment for retargeting, whether it's website visitors, people who've clicked on your previous ads, or even customers who abandoned their cart, you'll use AdCreative AI to build out creative assets tailored for that audience. Here's where the power of AI comes in. AdCreative AI uses machine learning to analyze your target audience and then automatically generate ad creatives that are proven to perform well with that specific segment. It takes into account things like color preferences, messaging, and even previous engagement patterns to create compelling ads that resonate with users. This means you don't have to guess what will work. The AI does the heavy lifting. When it comes to retargeting, you want your ads to be relevant and timely. With AdCreative AI, you can quickly generate multiple variations of ad creatives, which is key in preventing ad fatigue. This ensures that your audience sees fresh, engaging content without getting bored or tuning out. The AI's ability to optimize your creatives based on performance data helps improve your ROI by continually refining your ads based on how they're performing with the retargeted audience. Once you've created your ad creatives, you can simply export them and upload them into your ad manager to start running your campaigns. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners, and allows you to scale your ads without spending hours on creative work. Now, if you're wondering about cost, don't worry. You can actually start using AdCreative AI completely for free with an exclusive bonus that we have linked below. This gives you access to the same powerful tools so you can test it out and see how it can help with your retargeting efforts. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing pro, this tool can really streamline your workflow and maximize the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your ad creatives and retargeting campaigns. With AdCreative AI, you're equipped with a tool that not only saves you time, but helps you achieve better results. And remember, the link below gives you an extended free trial to explore all the features and start improving your ad creatives today.